And I'm going to create my own square piece of paper by bringing up a corner, folding it as neatly as you can, and cutting a straight line down. Now keep these because they're great for little baby fish. You've actually now created your first fold. So make sure this is a nice neat crease. Open it up. Create another crease in the opposite direction. Try and get your corners as pointy as you can. Again, nice neat crease. Open it up. If you want, you can flip it now. It doesn't matter too much, but it kind of helps with the next step. Bring it up. This time you want the crease to run right through the center. Again, neat crease. Open it up. Swivel it round and fold it up again. A lot of origami is about preparing, I can't say it, the creases that you're going to use later. So now you've got these lovely star-shaped creases, and because I've done my creases in opposite directions, look how easy it is to fold this into our next fold. So you're taking these 2 points, you're bringing them together, and then you flatten that down. If you need to, rewind the video and take another look, and it does help if you have the creases going in opposite directions. So now you've got these look like this, yeah? So you've got your fish face on that side. Now you bring up one side and you kind of just, it's not exact size, but you just kind of bring it over the, maybe a centimetre over, like this. And then repeat on this side. Bring it aligned. And then you can tuck this over the top. Turn it round and look, you have your basic fish. And I'm just going to get a pen, add a little detail, and you're finished.